Good morning, all. My name is Manoj Kumar. I am from AQP Group 11. So here I am to share about the lesson weeks course 5, which is about introduction of quality management. Six Sigma, TQM versus Six Sigma, Malcolm Baldrige National Award, National Quality Award, and its benefits, and ISO explained. Definition of quality. What are the terms that defines qualities? Or perfection, fast delivery, providing a good, usable product, eliminating waste, fitness for use, consistency, doing it right in the first time, delighting or pleasing customers, total customer service and satisfaction. Evaluation of quality management, inspections, statistical process, which is known as SPC, design of experiment TOE, Taguchi method, quality management systems, and Six Sigma. Next, we move on to total quality management. Uh, Top management directs involvement in a fundamental attribute or total quality management, uh, where the company wants to wants to be in the long run, helps defines the vision of the company or organization. Mm, Inspection helps to assure that the product meets the specification. A stakeholder is interested in the success of the enterprise. Systematic problem solving requires defining the problem to be solved. ISO 9000, QS 9000, and ISO 14000 are in the quality management sectors. A typical TQM tool illustrates relationship between cause and quality problems, subdivides the cause into their un- underlying components. An effective tool to generate ideas systematic about the causes for problems and to present them in a structured form. Uh, Responsibility for quality must be shared through TQM. This is the top quality management, which are top management, design technology, procurement contract, production, operation inspectors, quality assurance, packaging and delivery and shipping, marketing and sales, customer service after sales. How to tell TQM is being implemented correctly? These are the ways that TQM plays in a correct role. Top management's direct involvement, strong customer orientation, problem solved by systematic methods, everyone's participates, continuously improvements in their theme. What are the views of the TQM in quality chains? Throughout and beyond the organization, a series of quality chains exist. Quality chains exist within the organization. Also, chain may be broken down by one person or the one piece of the equipment not meeting the requirements of the customer. This may affect the quality chains. Next, we move on to Six Sigma. What is Six Sigma? Six Sigma is a biggest improvement business approach which seeks to find and eliminate the cause of the defects and errors in manufacturing and services of the process. Focuses on the output that the critical to the customer and clear the financial return for the organization. TMAIC is a special framework that used in every Six Sigma product, which define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. Quality management and evaluation of Six Sigma, skilled craftsmanship during the Middle Ages, industrial revolutions, rise of inspection and separate quality departments, early 20th century statistical method at Bell System, quality control during World War II, post-war Japan, evaluation of quality management, Six Sigma methodology. In this methodology, they usually use TMAIC. which incorporates with a wide variety of statistical process and improvement tools. Generally, the goal is to reach 3.4 ppm defect level, which is a standard for Six Sigma. Six Sigma works for everyone. Why does it works for everyone? uh, because of their customer higher satisfaction at lower cost. Plant managers who focuses on reducing waste, improving the product consistency, solve equipment problems, and create capacity. Human resource managers also focuses on reducing the cycle time for hiring processes. Sales managers improves their forecast reliability, pricing strategies, and pricing variations. Anyone better understand the customer needs and tailor services for their offering to meet them. Next, we move on to TQM versus Six Sigma. What are the differences between TQM and Six Sigma? Uh, TQM has based on work empowerment and teams, department or workplace focus, simple improvement tools, little financial accountability. Whereas Six Sigma has owned by business leader champion cross-functional projects, righteous and advantageous statistical tools, requires verifiable return on investment. Next, we move on to Malcolm Baldrige National Award and its benefits. Malcolm Baldrige National Award helps to improve the quality in US companies, helps to recognize achievements of excellent firms and provides example to others, establishes criteria for evaluating quality efforts, provides guidelines for other American companies, and also improves leadership, strategic planning, customer and market focus, information analysis, human resources focus, process management, and business results. Benefits of Baldrige competition, which helps in financial success. Winners share their knowledge. Uh, the process motivates the employees. The process which provides a well-designed quality system uh, also requires obtaining data and helps them to process the provided feedback. Next, we move on to ISO. What is ISO and it's explained. ISO 9000 defines a quality system standard, a big help to the housekeeping in most organizations. A quality system standard is adopted by the International Organization for Standardization in 1987. It is also revised in 1994 and 2000. Technical specification and criteria to be used as rules, guidelines or definition of the characteristics to ensure that material products, processes and services are fit for their purposes. ISO quality management principles, which focuses on customer focus, leadership involvement of people approach, process of approach, system approach to the management, continual improvement, factual approach to decision making, mutual beneficial in superior relationship, supplier relationship. ISO 14000, a set of international standard for assessing a company's environmental performance, a standard in three major areas: management system, operations, environmental system. Thank you. That's it for week's 5 course. Thank you all.